Honest people these days are so hard to find, aren't they? But if we happen to meet such people who are so honest, don't you think it is really a delight to meet them, and it is really a delight to maintain contact with them throughout our life? It is such a blessing to have honest people around us, because they are so rare to find nowadays. And because it is such a blessing, don't you think it is really good to sort of compliment them about their honesty? And to compliment them about their honesty, you really need to learn about unique and different words which you could use to describe honest people. I mean, be it your job, be it your personal end, having honest people is really a delight. So, well, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's go ahead and learn about different words which you could use to describe honest people. Genuine. So genuine is yet another word which you could use to describe honest people. So someone who's actually very honest is a genuine person. So we are doing everything we can to help the people to work towards genuine democracy. So of course, you could also use them for people who are honest, but you also could use them for situations which are very honest and sort of which are very clear and transparent in themselves. So, well, you could use this word because it is really amazing to describe people if they have such a quality. Truthful, well, yet another word to describe honest people. Definitely truthful, genuine. You could use them interchangeably, or you could use them together as well. And not just that, you also could use them for situations. That was a truthful answer. Principled, well, principled again actually means someone who is very honest in the perspective of following rules and definitely doesn't go off track with anything, is a principled man, a principled person. So he is a principled man. Upstanding, well, upstanding is yet another amazing word which you could use to describe a person who is very honest and stands by his or her words, and definitely you could place your trust in them. Well, not just that, I mean, of course, you could use all these adjectives, but not just that, there are also different ways in which you could describe them. So they could be perfectly honest, there could be perfect honesty. So there is perfect honesty in every word that he or she says. Unblemished honesty, so something which has never ever, or someone who has never ever done anything wrong and his or her career is free of any blemishes is actually again referred to as unblemished honesty. Straightforward honesty, when you're being way too straightforward with whatever you want to say and you're not making anything up, that is when you are straightforwardly honest. Again, upright honesty, so again you are sort of being very straight, very clear and cut in whatever you want to say. Unimpeachable honesty, an honesty which cannot be just breached is unimpeachable honesty and which cannot be doubted at any cost. Transparent honesty, again something which is very clear and see-through, and there are no layers to it, there is no lie to it. That is when it is a transparent honesty. Thorough honesty, again very you want to emphasize on that quality of honesty, that is when you can use it. Fearless honesty or brutal honesty, so someone could be brutally honest when that person tells you about the truth right on your face, no matter how hard the truth slaps you in your face. But yes, they could be brutally honest as well, or for that matter they could be fearlessly honest. Even when any person decides to stand right for something that is right, no matter how strong the opposing party is, but that person is absolutely unmoved and it doesn't matter for him or her, that is when that person is fearlessly honest. So, well, a variety of words, a plethora of words which you could use to describe honest situations or honest people, or a plethora of words which you could use to describe their quality of honesty, which is so hard to find nowadays. But if it is there, it definitely deserves a praise. It is really worth a praise and it should be praised. Well, I'm sure all these words you will be able to relate to them and you will use them in your daily language. I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.